Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Juvie and this is my sister,
Jaylani.
and today we're going to Don't Choose the Wrong Crayola Balloon Slime Challenge! Yeah! Let's get started! How this challenge works is that we can't choose the wrong slime ingredient or then it'll ruin our slime! So we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, whoever goes first. Right, Jenny? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yay! I get to go first. So let me get this purple balloon, and I think I want to choose the yellow Crayola can.
Choose it.
So we're gonna open it up. Whoa! I got my glue.
Oh my god.
Oh, and this one it's a lot of glue. And the little guys, I got white glue, and so now it is Jaylani's turn. So Jaylani, which one do you want to choose?
I will choose this one.
That one, she picked a green one. I wonder what's inside. What is it?
What is
it's
it?
not coming out. It's sorry. It's stuck.
It's stuck.
Come out.
Come out.
It's stuck. No. It looks like Jaylani got glitter glue. Glow in the dark glitter glue. Look at how pretty.
I didn't know that. I was stuck in there.
Yeah, I was stuck. Jaylani got glitter glue, glow in the dark glitter glue. So now it's my turn.
Yep.
And I think I'm going to pick a balloon. Which color should I pick? I'm going to pick this one right here. It's a little one. I can't hear nothing. So now I'm going to get my scissors. I'm going to cut it by the tip.
Tip? Be careful with your hands.
I'm scared. I don't want it to fall everywhere.
Look it! Oh! Is it shaving cream?
Maybe. Let me cut it. Let's see.
Oh, it's shaving cream!
Oh, look at it.
It's shaving cream, guys!
Oh! Oh my god, it went everywhere.
I want the scissors.
It went everywhere, even in my hands. Oh, look at the scissors. Oh no.
I think...
Oh, look at the balloon. Guys, I got my shaving cream in there. Now it's Jaylani's turn.
Guys, I got different scissors.
And they have stickers on them. But first she has to pick a balloon.
Yeah, I think I'll choose this one.
She wants to choose the purple one.
Okay.
I don't want it to go everywhere. Oh, she cut it good. What's coming out? Squeeze it.
It can't come out.
Wait.
What the heck? What the heck?
Oopsies. What is in there?
It's a banana.
A banana has been in there.
A banana. Oh my god!
She got purple glitter glue.
Look at the balloon. It's inside here.
Squeeze it. Whoa, it's so glittery.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, it's pretty. Oh, and Jaylani, purple's your favorite color.
Yeah.
So now it's my turn. I think I want to pick. Should I do a balloon or a crayon? I think I want to do a balloon.
A balloon.
I like the balloons. I'm going to pick this one, my
The blue.
favorite color. So now I'm going to cut it.
Okay, which one you got? Let's see so bad. Is that banana?
I don't want.
Is this shaving cream still?
No, it's not shaving cream.
Look. You already got to.
I don't want it too hot, so I'm doing it really carefully. Oh no.
What?
It's getting smaller again like last time.
That's funny. What is it?
Let's get it. So I got it open. Oh, it's glue. More glue.
It's
More
like-
white glue.
Yeah.
It matches the shaving cream.
Yeah. And we got 2 white glues.
Yeah, I got 2 white glues. It's so gooey though.
Yeah, it's so
I got white glue again. And so now it is Jaylani's turn. So Jenny, what do you want to pick?
I'll choose the red one.
She wants to pick a crayon this time.
Yeah, great.
Ooh.
What the heck? I got real crayons.
Jaylani got crayons. Oh my god.
I guess I need to cut them then.
And it was inside a little big crayon. Oh, and it went inside a big crayon into a little crayon.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's one
little orange and white. So Jimmy's cutting the purple and I cut this one.
The red.
The red. Okay, cut!
It's hard to cut the crayon. Ah! Johnny just broke it. She's the crayon. Okay, there it is. So Jelani got the crayon. And so now it's going to be my turn. So now it's my turn. And I think I want to pick a crayon this time.
Okay.
So I want to pick, what color should it be? I want to pick this yellow crayon right in front of me.
Wait, Jimmy.
What?
Tell you to dip it in out.
What is it? What? Okay, now we're gonna open this. It's blue glue!
Oh my gosh, you're so lucky. I got crayons.
I got blue, yay! Finally got color in my slime because it was all white. So I got blue slime. But now it's Jelani's turn. Which one do you want to pick?
I know what to choose the red.
You don't want to choose red because what? She got the crayon. She picked the green one.
Oh, I got little glue. Yes, finally.
Wow!
What's up in there?
It's so
Yes, I finally
neon
got glue.
color.
I just got
I didn't know what to say.
Can't.
Oh, that looks cool.
I look like ice cream crayon.
Ice cream crayon. Now it's my turn because Jelani got the yellow slime. I mean glue.
I
So
finally got glue.
Jenny really wanted glue.
You already had glue.
Oh, yeah.
So now, should I pick a crayon or a balloon this time? I think I want to pick a balloon this time.
Oh, my God. Look, it's turning green right there.
Okay, so I'm going to pick this.
And white?
It's kind of cold. Smells like
Maybe it's-
water.
Maybe it's ice.
No, I can't be ice.
Maybe it's corn.
Corn! Oh, look at the hole. It's right there. I cut it.
Activator!
Ah!
Ew!
What is it? Water? No! Not water! No, I wish I never picked that one.
But you choose it.
No.
You just stop mixing it?
Yeah.
So, anyway, you was doing that. I would have.
Johnny wants to pick a balloon because I got water.
I got pom-poms!
Scared me. She got pom-poms.
Pom-poms. That's bloated.
That scared me. It went pop. My turn because Jelani got those pom-poms. I exploded everywhere. So now I'm going to pick a balloon. It's the last balloon. So now, I got whipped cream. I mean, shaving cream on me.
The cream.
I thought it was whipped cream because it looks like whipped cream.
Yeah. What's it? That's it. That's it.
It gave me a lot of air. Okay, there's the
That's
hole I
what's
made. Wait, what?
What the heck?
It's in! Yay! Wow! It's so shiny.
Here's my secret.
Hey, she stole my sequins.
I'm
Silly. And she picked the red crayon. But John, didn't you say you didn't want to pick red again?
I got white!
And that's why you shouldn't pick red, because you said you didn't want to pick red, but you picked it again. Oh, she got right. It's my turn, and I did not want to pick red, so I'm going to pick this one.
Jelani stuck with red. Oh, God.
Yes, she is. Where did... Yay! I got Snow
No, you don't.
So it's gonna be crunchy. Hey, you're taking my snow. She's always stealing my sequins and my snow. Wait.
Okay, so anyways, I need to go right off again.
Yep.
I hope
Jelani's-
it has a good red. I got pom-poms!
No! I didn't get over there for a second. Hee hee hee. Okay, now you can look back. I took one of your pom-poms! Pom-poms! I got a
Wait, Jimmy.
pom-pom. What?
Wait, what's that? Is that the pumpkin patch?
No, I don't trust you.
Please, 5 fingers, Rhea.
A bird.
No, just keep on looking. Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm closing
Take
my
your
eyes.
hands off.
Okay, 1, 2.
No, don't open.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Open them.
She took my snow.
No, it's
We're
like
gonna activate the slime.
mine will turn into a tiny slime.
We're just mixing our slime, and mine is almost activated.
Oh.
This is how our slime turned out. But now it's time to make the bubbles. But before we do those bubbles, take a
Yay,
close-up
have
of our
confetti.
slime.
But you have confetti now.
There's one, and then 2 lines.
And yours has rice?
Yeah, but you can't really see the rice.
I can feel it though. Yeah. Right, she sees this. But now I'm gonna make the
Forgot.
bubble.
But do it, I have confetti.
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 Oh, that was gonna be so big. Oh! It's not that big, but it's still big. It's gonna be crunchy. Bully snake. Snake.
I'll make a snake too. I'll try to make this. What the?
Okay.
I think I can't reach that all the way because your slime is so tiny.
Okay. Okay, guys. This is the end of our video. I hope you like it. Make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.